Very good afternoon, everyone. This is Manas from the hospital today. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। आज हम बात करने वाला है एक बार के अंदर सेटअप कैसे किया जाता है। एक ऑपरेशन चालू होने से पहले जो बार सर्विस होता है उसको कैसे प्लान किया जाता है। अगर आप बार में फ्लोर मैनेजर हो, कैप्टन हो, सुपरवाइजर हो तो ये वीडियो को जरूर एंड तक देखिएगा। आज हम बताएंगे क्या क्या स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको बार सेट किया जाता है। मैं आपको बताएंगे ये जो बार सेटअप है ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसको ऊपर डिपेंड करके पूरा डे का जो ऑपरेशन है ये चलता है। If you are not set your bar properly, it can be collapse. Your operation can be collapse. In between, you may run for so many things. So set your bar properly. I'll tell you the bar setup is very important for a bar operation. Okay, the bar setup preparation refers to a organization stocking and readying the bar areas so beverage can be served effectively, okay, and safely and hygienically. Okay, the cleanness of the bar areas, cleaning and hygiene is very important. So clean and sanitize all the bar counter properly and all the shelves for the bar counter and the equipment what you are going to use for whole days. It has to be cleaned properly before the operation. Okay, the wash and polish the glassware. That means before starting operation you have to wash all the glasses, need to be wiped and polished properly. You need to ensure that your personal hygiene is very good. Your uniform is crisp, clean, iron, and your hand washing properly like this. Okay. But if you talk about the equipment setup, you have to arrange all the bar tools, including the shaker, strainer, jigger, muddler, bar spoon, etc. You have to keep ready in a proper place. Check the ice machine or ice bucket is not there or not, ice tongue is there or not, whatever required for the operation it is there or not. You ensure the blenders, the beer taps and the coffee machines are working properly. If you talk about the stocking the bar, the stocking is very important. If you do not stock before operation, your operation will be not run properly because you don't know what is there in your bar. So how you are going to operate? You must know what is there in your bar. If you want to know what is there in your bar, you must do the stocking properly. So alcohol, whatever the alcohol is there, or white spirit, wines, beers, non-alcoholic juice, soft drinks, etc., including your garnish like your lemon, mint, the cloves, all the bitters has to be there. So mixers and bitters is not there means you cannot run the bar, right? You cannot prepare the cocktails. So stocking is very important to run a smooth operation. The glassware preparation, you know what are the glassware you need to prepare the cocktails. What cocktails in your menu particular, for that what glass is required. So you know if the mojito order is coming, which glass I have to use, and running order is coming for the whiskey, which glass I have to use. Martini, I need which glass. Margarita, I need to make it, I need which glass. Maita, I need to make, I need which glass. So glassware preparation is very important. I'll tell you, you need to use your short glassware by like wine glass, cocktail, highball, short glass, you have to keep ready. Some of the glass you have to keep chilling if required for serving the beer, etc. You have to check all the cracks or the chips, whatever you are going to give along with the cocktail or alcohol, it is there or not. So glassware is very important for the bar operation. Now I'll tell you the bar layout, the organization, why it is important to know the bar layout for the bar operation. Here you can arrange the bottle in speed rack and any kind of back bar. Why? Because you can keep as a backup. Place the frequently used items within easy reach. बैक साइड में कुछ रखा है, ठीक है, स्टॉक हम वहां पे जाकर रख सकते हैं, खाली बोतल पीछे जाकर रख देंगे, ठीक है। इसलिए बहुत ही जानना जरूरी है बार का जो है लेआउट एंड हाउ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, द लेवल एंड द रोटेड स्टॉक, दैट whenever we are doing the stocking, already we are maintaining the FIFO. Okay, so if there is a half bottle of black label, I need to bring one more bottle of black label. That means the half bottle will be first and the new black label bottle will be the last. So this is how we are maintaining the FIFO method. For the bar operation, safety and compliance is very important. चेक और द फायर सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट, ठीक है, फायर सेफ्टी जो एरिया है एग्जिट एरिया उसके सामने चेयर लेके किसी को बैठा मत दीजिएगा, ठीक है. स्टोर द केमिकल वेस्ट फ्रॉम द फूड एंड द ड्रिंक्स. व्हेनेवर यू आर क्लीनिंग द काउंटर्स यू आर यूजिंग द केमिकल्स, कीप इट इन अ सेफ प्लेस. It should not come to your food area or the drink area. You ensure the age variation signage has to be there, visible. I means if you are not adult, you cannot come to our bar. That signage has to be visible in a public area. Don't tell that, sir, my bar is there, I am written that side, sir, you must see that. No, that should be there on entry where guests will see and go. Okay, so this is the safety and compliance. The local rule and regulation also you have to follow. The age limit has to be followed. Okay, the kids should not be there in the bar. The next is your pre-service check. Pre-service check means जब भी आपका सर्विस चालू हो जाता है, जैसे आपका you are opening bar by 12 noon. So before 12 noon, 11:45 or 11:30, I'll come to the bar. I'll check everything is ready or not, being as manager or as a supervisor. I'll check, or if I am an associate, I ensure that before the operation everything should be ready. I'll prepare my mise en place like cut fruit or prepare the sugar syrup like this. I used to check all the light, music, ambience, everything is ready or not. I will preview the drink menu and the special. What is the special going to be today? What special I am going to suggest to the guest? Maybe, sir, what is the special of the day today? Today we have a Mai Tai. Today we have a Negroni. So this is how today's special is Mai Tai and Negroni. So these two things I am going to inform to my floor man who is taking the order, that these two you have to give the suggestion to the guest as a special. So purpose of bar setup is easiest to the bar operation, better drink quality, improve the hygiene and professional appearance at our bar, and the guest satisfaction. The guest satisfaction is very important for everywhere. If you talk about bar, talk about restaurant, banquet, front office, housekeeping, everywhere, because it's combined together. Guest coming to your bar is very happy, living happy, everything is okay, but going to the room, the bed sheet there is stain, so it got collapsed. So it's like a combined effort for everyone who is working in a hotel for a guest satisfaction score. But when a guest coming to your bar, you ensure that the guest is left happy. Okay, that's all. So these all are the preparation is there for the bar. ठीक है, being as a bar manager, bar supervisor, you must notice those things before starting the operation to make ensure the smooth bar operation. Thank you so much. अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा, चैनल सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. Thank you so much.